You're not broken. The world is broken. We're all born into this life with no choice, completely helpless. So, pain is inevitable, but suffering is a choice. There's so many people suffering in the world. We all feel pain and wish not to. It's how we express this pain, digest this pain, sit with this pain, understand this pain that creates our reality. This meditation, we're going to take away the pain of someone else. So thank you for being here. My name's Chris. Let's get started. Begin in a comfortable seated position with head over heart, heart over pelvis. Bring a soft gaze to the tip of your nose. And on the next exhale, I invite you to let go of everything that's happened so far in your day. And release any expectations of yourself or others after this session. I want you to be completely present with yourself and the person we are calling into practice today. I want you to bring awareness to your own understanding of emptiness and how the world works. How everything is coming from you. How you've created this world in front of you through your visual perception and the impressions of the past experiences. The cup does not exist solely. We give power to the cup with our awareness. Begin to bring to mind someone you know is suffering. I want you to picture them very clearly in your mind. Picture them now in what they're doing right now in this very moment. I want you to picture them in real time in their cycle of suffering. Really feel what they're going through. Now, begin to bring awareness to your own heart, the diamond heart of light you have cultivated through your yoga practice. Infinite thoughts of compassion, equanimity, joy, and love have strengthened your heart to the point where you can take on the suffering of this person. And in the flash of an instant, the suffering is gone. Forever. I want you to bring awareness to the diamond light at your heart that you've cultivated. See your light shining there. Now make the decision to take on this suffering, the suffering that this person is experiencing. Because it's the only way to save them. I want you to imagine the dark cloud of smoke that surrounds them begin to gather in front of their nose. All the suffering and pain that they're experiencing comes to form a dark cloud of smoke at the tip of the nose. They can't see you, but I want you to stand right in front of them, about 6 inches from their face, so you are also facing the dark cloud with them. Now I want you to make the decision to take on this dark cloud On an inhale, we'll do it together. As soon as the suffering hits your heart, a giant flash, a bright flash of light fills your body with diamond light, radiating from your fingertips, radiating from your toes, the crown of your head. You are full of light. Your body is full of light. You're glowing. And in an instant, the suffering is gone. Begin to bring awareness back to the person that you are meditating with. I want you to imagine them now smiling, happy, also glowing. The person is happy, and they have the path to that happiness. They have the solution now. Now I want you to bring awareness back to your own heart and your understanding of emptiness. How everything is coming from you based on visual cortex and past impressions. So what could it be? What could we give others? What could the world be if we stuck with our yoga practice? Now I'm going to stop talking for about 7 minutes. I invite you to visualize the possibilities. Or, if you would like a more inward journey today, that's what you need. I want you to imagine your conscious awareness, your breath, and follow that breath throughout your body as if your skin is walls and you are flying around the inside of your skin, shining light on any cobwebs. Begin. Begin to bring awareness back to your breath if it isn't already there. Bring awareness to your body. Begin to bring awareness to the palms of the hands, soles of the feet. Gently begin to wake up the nervous system by brushing the thumbs across the fingertips. And on an inhale, sweep the hands down, around, and up overhead. Good work today. On your out breath, palms pressed together at heart center. The light in me honors and sees the light in you, where the entire universe dwells. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.